welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button down below and click on the little bell so you can be notified for all my new videos. And for the world's best subscribers, hi guys, how are you today? Hope you're having a beautiful day. It is sunny here. It's finally warming up. It's absolutely gorgeous outside. Now guys, I'm so sorry I didn't have the video up for you guys yesterday because work got in the way of my YouTube. So I had work obligations that I just couldn't get out of. And okay, now let me tell you what I'm doing so we don't make this video too long. And you know I love to babble, right? Just a bit. Okay, so today I'm gonna set my formal dining room. I'm setting it up formally for Easter Sunday dinner, and I just wanted to share this with you because I want to give you guys some ideas. Just before Sunday, maybe you want to go out last minute and get some last minute stuff and, you know, set your table up with whatever you guys have at home. Now, I barely spent any money. I spent about $5 in total for everything that I'm gonna use here and everything else I had. So let me show you what I have and let's get started on the video. Okay guys, I'm trying to film this late afternoon. You can see all the sun flares on me because this is the only time I could film, so I really wanted to make this video for you guys. So I'm gonna show you everything I'm gonna use. They're all so simple things, and I'm sure that all of you have things like this at home that you could use. So that's why I wanted to show you this stuff, because I almost bought nothing. I'll show you everything that I'm getting. I'm just gonna turn my back to you for a second. Okay, first things first is these placemats. Oh my goodness, the lighting is cuckoo. Okay, so these placemats here, they are from Pier 1. They're the cabbage ones. They've had, I'm pretty sure they still have them. I got them a few years ago, and if you're a really good DIYer, you could totally make this and not spend any money. The second thing I'm gonna use are these chargers. Okay, I'm hoping the lighting is better. Are these chargers here? They're the pink gingham ones. They're from the Dollar Tree. I will leave the video link down below if you haven't seen it on how I made these. Super inexpensive and super easy. Then the third thing I'm gonna use is right here. And this is, oh my goodness, it's nice, is my mom and dad's wedding china. That's right. These are antique plates now, guys. They have a pale pink and a pale blue and a very pale brown in them, and then a line of gold, and I love them. My mom didn't want them anymore, so she gave them to me. Okay, and then I'm also gonna use this little bunny plate here. Let me show it to you there. It's a salad plate, and it's made out of glass, and it's got a little bunny on it, and it's got pale blue, pale pink, and then the bunny has got the same color as the brown that is in my mom's plates. So I wanted to use those. Okay, now, okay guys, this is my high-end, low-end. So these wine glasses here are from the Dollar Tree. Absolutely love them. This is a great buy, guys. For $1 to get such nice wine glasses, that's a really good deal. But I'm gonna pair them with these water glasses, and these are all crystal and etched, and they're very beautiful, and I've had them for many years. So here's my high-end and low-end mix. This is where I spend my money. I originally had seen these beautiful napkin rings from Pier 1, but they were so expensive, and I just didn't want to spend the money because it's a seasonal item, and I'm trying to save my money for something else instead of, you know, buying too many things. Speaking of shopping, I did a video way back at Christmas time where I gave my 10 top shopping tips. Sorry about that. Anyways, I love to buy seasonal decor. Absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite things. But I'm gonna tell you, one of my tips is now, between now and Easter, all the stores will be putting their Easter decor and early spring decor on clearance. So if you're interested and you didn't have a chance to get anything, I would look at Michael's and TJ Maxx and all those kinds of stores. Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby should have their stuff on sale by now, because Easter is on Sunday. Anyways, I wanted to make napkin rings, and let me show you. I use this here. See this here, what it says? It's 2 Aster Daisy clip-ons, and this is what they look like. Here, this is the back, and that's the front, and I think they're so pretty. So what I'm gonna do, and let me reach down and get this. Okay, I have a bunch of plain napkin rings, but I just want to give you an idea. These are like really plastic, plain gold napkin rings that I've had for a long time. And then I have these here. They're real silver napkin rings. I got them at my wedding. And I wanted to jazz up my napkin rings, but if you don't have any like this, you can get the plain plastic ones from the Dollar Tree. So all I did is to make a napkin ring is I clipped the little clip on the napkin ring like that, and then you got yourself a napkin. Now, for you, those of you who follow me on Instagram, you guys voted. Here are my napkins. These are the napkins I'm going to use. I know the sun's coming in. It's like crazy. These are the napkins I'm going to use. And I rolled them and I pinched them, and everybody voted for the pinch. So this is what we're going to put on the table. Okay, so I'm going to turn the camera around. I'm going to put some music on, and let's get decorating. Ready? Let's get setting. Okay guys, so this is it. This is it in its entirety. You saw me make the centerpiece. We did that early on this season. But if you're new and you just happen to stumble by, I'll link my centerpiece. And there's my really cute salt and pepper shakers. I have 2 sets on the table. I have little bunnies, and I also have little lambs. And let's talk about the place setting now. So there's the wine glass with the coaster, and then the water glass, and that's just a mix of high and low, guys. And then there's the place setting, and I can get a view of Mom's plates better. And I think they're really beautiful. And my decoupage chargers. I mean, they're not the best. They didn't turn out amazing, but I think they'll do for this season. And there's the little bunny plates. I love those. And my inexpensive DIY napkin rings. So guys, you just have to use your imagination. And there's the another setting. And this little bunny plate is actually different than the other one. But as a whole, I think it all looks really nice together. I'll just give you a view of it so you could see it all together. And there's my new chairs. Let me show you my new chairs. I showed them in the shopping haul, but these are the chairs that I got. They were really inexpensive. They were only like $40. So, and there's the view of the table. And that's it. Okay guys, give this video a big thumbs up. Like, comment, and share. And you know how much I love your comments. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. I love you guys. Thank you for letting me come into your homes and sharing these beautiful time of year with all my decorating and my shenanigans and all the craziness. and all the bunnies, and we've decorated together. So I really want to thank you that you let me come into your homes, and you're part of my life. Oh my goodness, you're so part of my life. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart for everything. You guys, this has been great. I cannot wait to share with you the upcoming few months and see what that has in store for us and see what kind of decorating we'll do for that. So in saying that, I hope you have a beautiful and blessed Easter to the world's best subscribers. I will never stop saying that. I will never stop showing you my gratitude and my love for you guys. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for taking your time out to come and watch this little channel and me and my shenanigans. So in saying that, mwah, have an amazing Easter, guys, and I will see you very soon. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody.